because we do not have so much people, but still let's see this some concept. Whenever the problem comes in front of you, whatever our requirement is, whenever you see this question, any question come in front of you, the whole knowledge what how to convert your requirement into English, how to convert your requirement into English, and from English you have to convert into SQL. That is what you have to do. Requirement to English, English to SQL. What is SQL? SQL, structured query language. Language is same like a language, just like we are talking in English, we are talking in Hindi, we are talking in Tamil, we are talking in Telugu, we are talking in Spanish, we are talking in German. Whatever the language you are talking, the same way we have a language that's called SQL. SQL is a language by which we are interacting to the database. For example, suppose if I took somebody from here into this group, okay, and I want to talk anything. Suppose that person, if that person knows, suppose if the person doesn't know Hindi, my primary language is either Hindi. My primary language is either Hindi or English. Suppose somebody can start and talk to me in Tamil, and I don't know Tamil. How can I respond them? For which this I have a common language that called English. By talking English, we both can communicate to each other. The same way SQL. For communication, we need something. So that is a language called SQL, which is a need for communication to the database. That I want to say database, for example, give me all the data. Suppose I go here, I'm writing here, for example. I don't know, I'm not able to write. Okay. Suppose let me go and log in here. See everything. There's a table called employee table. I'm writing, give me all data from employee table. This is pure English. Everybody know that. Everybody is okay. It's written in English. English language, everybody understand it? It is written in English. Give me all data from employee table. Agree, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
Vishal.
sir. Yes, sir.
इंग्लिश तो समझ में आ रही होगी ना इंग्लिश लिखा हुआ है गिव मी ऑल डेटा फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉय टेबल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इफ आई रन इट हियर रन is it working no invalid statement because for database he cannot understand this language English he cannot understand so you have to write in a syntax select star from hr.employees this is called SQL is just a language, just like Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, French, German. We have to know this grammar, and this grammar is called syntax. This grammar for English, this grammar for SQL. SQL is all about trick. Whenever you a question come in front of you, what your responsibility is, how do I know which what I have to suppose, for example, take this question. I'm just reading any question. Write a query to fetch top 5 customer with the highest purchase amount from the sales table. I will take multiple question in front of you and I try to tell you how to understand the tricks. Right? What is this? Write a query to fetch top 5 customer. Means what I want? I want top 5 people. Only 5 records I want. And what? With the highest purchase amount. Means whoever is doing the maximum purchase, the top 5 I want. So in this question, basically what I want to take the data, arrange the data by order by, and then pick the 5 people who are the top 5 people. This is what we can do. See this question number 4. Each product, understand this word, this is a trick. Whenever you see this word each, whenever you see this word each and every in any SQL query, this trick will never fail. Remember everyone, this trick will never fail. Whenever you find a SQL that contains the word each means what? Group by. Write a query to calculate the total revenue generated by each product category, means group by product category. That is the problem comes with everyone. People get confused that Vishal, when the question comes, I know what is group by. I know what is max min sum count average. I understand what is partition by, but I don't know how I can implement in the query. This is all about trick. See this question number 7. Question number C say each product category means here the question wants group by product category. To write total number means total means sum of revenue, comma product category, and then group by product category. There are two tricks to understand this type of questions. One trick is what? Suppose I'm writing a query. Each and every questions like this. Let me suppose I'm writing a query. That query contains condition like this. Let me share it. The query contains a condition. For example, select sum of something, comma, suppose product category from table. So whenever you write max, min, sum, count, average, whenever you write any aggregate function, max, min, sum, count, and average, any one of them I wrote. So whatever the column come along with it, we have to take this column into group by. Very straightforward concept. This concept will never fail. Or if you see anywhere this concept, each and every, this all about group by concept. Each and every means what? Group by. Whenever each customer, group by customer, every city, group by city, every project, group by project, each month, group by month, each year, group by year, every class, group by class. So whenever you see each and every, it means group by. See, ask me, Prerna, ask me, sir, a window function. Group by window, there are two types, two things are there. One is called aggregate, another is called analytical. These both are family. Aggregate and analytical, they both are family. What they are doing? The family of aggregate and analytical will be used to calculate the data. What is the difference between them? Aggregate, analytical, both are same. Some people say that, Vishal, I know group by queries, but I don't know partition by. Group by and partition by both are same. Group by equal to partition by, exactly same. What is the difference between both? Whenever I'm talking about aggregate function, use group by. Whenever talking analytical function, use partition by. Difference is what? Group by will give you one row per group. One row per group. Analytical give you, partition by give you one row per row. See an example. See this example. I'm writing here. Select, suppose, see this table. Select star from HR.regions. Say this. Or HR.countries. Take an example. This query give you all the data. Total 25 records. If I'm writing here count star, what will happen? It will give you one data. Aggregate function. One row per group. One row is the output. Total 25. If I just write it here over, over means I converted this function into analytical. Aggregate and analytical, they are brothers. Same family. Same family means same DNA. DNA, right? Everybody know DNA? Same family means same DNA. Behavior same. Nature same. They all are exactly behave like same. When I write over, over will do what? Over means analytical. Whenever you see over, it means analytical or window function. So what it will do? It will make you one row per row. This is what I said. One row per row. It means analytical. What will happen? Let's see this here. It will give you 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 each row. 25 times. If I don't write over, it is aggregate function, give you one data over. If you do not want to write, if you write here over function, it will become analytical, give you one row per row. How do I use it? For example, suppose I want to write a query. Suppose this, understand the use of this. Select star from HR.employees. Suppose I ask you to write a query to give me the details. Let me write here. Write is equal to give me details of employee who have the maximum salary, something like that. Basically, who is the maximum salary? I want the detail of that person. Easy question, first understand it. Maximum salary is this person. I do not want maximum salary. I want the detail of that employee. Means employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, commission, manager, everything I want for the person who has maximum salary. If I want, how can I do this? Either I can do this like staff employee, where salary equal to, you write here, suppose, select maximum salary from employee. Either you can do like this, use the analytical function, what I'm doing. Suppose this table name is H. I'm writing here H dot star. If I write here max salary function, my query will give me error. Let's see this. Why it gives error? Because whenever I'm writing max, min, sum, count, average, five any of these five aggregate functions, max, min, sum, count, average. If you're writing any one of these, so whatever column come along with it, that column will go to group by. Right? That we learn. Whatever column use, that column will go to group by. So here it is a max, min, sum, count, average. So all h dot star column should come into the group by. Otherwise, it will give error. But I do not want all group by, because that is not, it doesn't give you correct data. Suppose I'm writing here, suppose I just want first name, last name. See, I'm writing here h dot first, first name, comma h dot last name, comma h dot department ID, department underscore ID, comma h dot job ID. I will run this. I need all this column into the group by. Then only this query will work. All these columns. Then as if I remove any one of them, my query gives error, not a single group function, not a group expression. Because whatever I wrote with max, min, sum, count, average, I wrote these four. So all these four should come into the group by. When I write like this, my query work. But this query give me wrong data. Why? Because I want who is the maximum salary. But this will create a group. Group on the based of max, min, sum, count, average of this column. This combination. So this first name, last name, date of birth, IT programmer, this combination has this maximum salary. This combination has this maximum salary. It create a group for each whatever written here. But I want the maximum data. Let's use our analytical function. If I just analytical when I'm using, analytical is the most respected person. Remove this right here, over clause. Just right here. Let's see what happened. What will happen here if you see about it? I want the let me print salary also. H dot salary. I just write over. If I write over, it become analytical. Once analytical become, I don't need to write any group by. It will give you who is the maximum 24,000. Over means window. One row per row. Every row print 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24. Everyone is printed. What is the question? Who is maximum? Means where this salary equal to maximum salary. If you want to know, write subquery or write our CTE clause with CTE as. If you know CTE, select star from CTE where salary equal to max cell. Just give this name, column name is max cell. Run this query. Come on. What happened? Once again. It's like disconnect and correct one more time. Just give me 1 second. Sign out. Start coding. Some the live SQL is a free environment. Sometimes it may get stuck. So don't worry. The data.
Okay, this is not what Vishal, this is not actually a performance issue, right?
No, this is not performance issue. That sometimes it gets stuck because live SQL is a
Okay,
free environment. So that's why it
okay,
sometimes it happens like this. So don't
okay.
worry. Let me remove. Free environment sometimes make you stuck. The thing will run or Control X. Select start from HR.employees. Now this output is coming now. Something is stuck in the inside. No, this 24,000 matched to 24,000. When it is matching, it gives you the data. This is the query what we wrote. Where maximum salary equal to maximum salary, got the data. Analytical function is exactly behave like we are using aggregate function. Only difference is what? What is the group by? It comes to partition by. For example, suppose the question is, give me a SQL to print maximum salary from each department. I want all the data. Means I don't want just one maximum salary for each department. You can directly write the query select department ID, comma max of salary from HR.employees, group by department ID. This query will what? This query will give you maximum salary from each department. Maximum salary, I'm writing max means some count average. So whatever column written here, that column come to group by straightforward concept. My query give me the data. But what I want, who is taking 8200? Who is taking 6500? Who is taking 12,008? I want all the details of this person. So what can I do? I cannot write here first name, last name, or employee ID. If I write here employee ID, so this query will give me error first. Because I wrote employee ID, that should come here as well. Here is two columns, here also two columns into the group by. Now this query. But this query doesn't give me correct record. See this what? This query is saying that maximum salary for department 90 is three records. Why three records? Because group by department ID, comma employee ID. So this employee and department combination is 24. This employee department combination is 17. It make a combination. This I don't want. I want who is taking maximum. So 24,000 taking by which person? 100. I want only 100. I do not want these two records because these two records are not taking maximum salary. So what can we do? Here analytical comes into the picture. What analytical will do? Let's go here. I try to make all the records. Let I'm writing here h dot star. All the data from employee table. Remove this group by. Then comma. I'm writing suppose max of salary I want over analytical function. Bracket open. If I do not write here anything inside bracket, what it will give you? It will give you all the H data and maximum salary printed in the last 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24 because of over. But this 24 is for 90. I want it will be break for 60. So what group by? I'm writing partition by. Partition by department ID. Why? Because the question is for each department. So whenever you heard these words, remember each and every. Whenever you heard these two English words, each and every means group by in terms of aggregate. And whenever we convert into analytical, it's considered as a partition by. So group by, partition by both are same. Group by work with aggregate, partition by work with analytical. Group by give you one row per group, analytical give you one row per row. Partition by is Amitabh Bachchan. If you open my many what articles on LinkedIn, let me open here. Let me go any of suppose for example one of my group. I'm going to one of the group. Let me search if I find it. Amitav. So this here. This is an article I posted that how analytical function behave. राइट हम जहां खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू हो जाती है दैट इज व्हाट एन अमिताभ बच्चन मूवीज कालिया मूवी डायलॉग द सेम थिंग हाउ एनालिटिकल फंक्शन बिहेव व्हेन एनालिटिकल फंक्शन चेंज इट स्टार्ट अगेन what start again max start again min start again sum start again count start again average start again row number start again rank start again density start again lead start again lag start again first value start again last value start again entire start again entire start again everything start again concept is exactly same only thing is what only thing is all about the game of partition by see this example I wrote partition by will create a boundary what start again what is written here max so max start again let's see first let's see output see this here what will happen let's take this data here am I able to take this data into Notepad. Let's see this here. If I'm able to pick in the notepad, then easy for me. It's not coming properly. It's okay. Let's go back here only. See this, what will happen. I wrote partition by. Partition by will create a what? It create a boundary. Partition by will create a boundary. How the boundary will be created? Let's see this here. Partition by department ID. Department ID column 10 is one boundary. 2020 one boundary. 30 one boundary. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Boundary created. Once boundary change, once boundary change, start again. What start again? What is written here? Max. So max start again. Let's see. In 10, I have only one record. So what is the maximum? 44,000 is the only one salary, 44,000 printed. For department 20, two records. What is maximum? 13,000 is the maximum. So for both it print 13, 13 because over. Over means what? One row per row. For each row it will print you one data. So what it has to print? It decided by partition by. Partition by is what? Is Amitabh Bachchan. Partition by is Amitabh Bachchan. From whenever he stands, the line starts from here. So Amitabh Bachchan is saying that partition by department ID. Once department change, start again. What start again? Max start again. Who is Max? Department 30. Start again. Who is Max? 11,000. So against each row, print 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Let's go see here. Department 40. Department change, start again. For 40, only one record, it's printed. Department 50, start again. All the record of 50, what is highest? 82 highest. Against each record is printed 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82. Now what you want? Who is the person having the maximum salary for each department? I can give a name, suppose max sal each DPT. Give any name of this column in aliasing. It is printed. What I want, I write a query, suppose with CTES. I wrote that CTE. If anybody don't know CTE, you have to learn CTE. CTE is the common table expression, one of the most easiest part. When you don't know how to write SQL, when you don't know how to start writing SQL, when you don't know how to write anything, CTE will help you. I'm writing here select star from CTE, where my salary equal to this salary. Means when 13,000 match to 13,000, that is the person in department 20 who taking the maximum salary. When 11,000 match with 11,000, so this is the person in department 30 who is taking the maximum salary. See this? Got it? 10 this person, 20 this person, 30 this person, 40 this person, 50 this person. For each department we got the data. Suppose the question say, how do we know when to use analytical? Whenever your question contains anything related to the second, third, fourth, fifth, second highest, third highest, fourth highest, fifth highest, sixth highest, eighth highest, tenth highest, analytical function. Suppose the question is get me the second highest salary or third highest salary. What you can do, remove this one. Third highest salary. I want third highest. From this is the table. Or second highest salary or third highest salary, whatever I want. For this department 90, this is the person having second highest salary, these two people. From department 60, if you see department 60, department 60, these many people. Who has the second highest salary? This person. How do I know that? Maximum salary, you know that you can do max of salary, you got this 9,000. You do mean of salary, you got this 42,000. If I want second person, third person, fourth person, whenever your question say anything on second, third, fourth, it means what? It means analytical. Think about it. If your this table contains a column called salary number, anything, and he can assign a number. You are one, you are two, you are three, you are four, you are five. It is so easy to find out who is two. That is what analytical do. What I did, see here. I'm using row number, for example, or rank or dense rank. We learn about analytical. Main game is partition by. For each department, I want who is second highest. I do over each department, it means group by department. But I'm using row number over function, analytical function. So group by change to partition by. So I'm writing partition by department. Order by salary descending. What I did? Partition by is Amitabh Bachchan. So what Amitabh Bachchan did? Amitabh Bachchan said that once I am changing, start again. What start again? Row number start again. Remember this concept. What exactly it behave? What exactly it behave? Partition by, this is the first person who is going to execute. That is your Amitabh Bachchan. He will execute first and create a boundary. Whatever you want to do in your boundary. And once the value of department ID change, once the value of department ID change, start again. What start again? What is written here? Row number start again. If written rank, rank start again. Written lead, lead start again. Written lag, lag start again. Written entile, entile start again. Written, for example, max, max start again. Written, for example, first value start again. What C is doing? Let's see, I'm running it. It will give a number. See this how number work. Department 10 has only one person, row number one. Boundary change. Let's see this here. Boundary change. Boundary is this. Department ID 10, 20, 30. Boundary change. Start again. What start again? First order by salary, arrange the data by their salary, and then giving a numbering in the last. You are number one, you are number two. Boundary change. Start again. 30, arrange the data. You are number one, you are number two, you are number three, you are number four. Then just run a query, select star from this table where this value is equal to 2, give a second highest. This value equal to 3, give a third highest. Give value equal to 4, give a fourth highest. This is all about trick. You just need to know how to use. You all have to go and take this article. I can give this link to all of you if anybody wants. Copy link to this post, to the chat I'm posting. You can go and see this chat and try to find out that what exactly it works. Go to all this article if you want. I describe it here, how it works. See this example. Everything is move around over. Over means analytical. Analytical gives you one row per row. See the example. Count star is giving 6. But when I do over, over means analytical. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Each and every person. Think of partition by as a dawn. He is our Amitabh Bachchan. When the value change, it start again, row number start again, rank start again, then start again, count start again, sub start again, lead start again, lag start again. Rest all about trick. How do I know when to use lead and lag? Whenever your question contains compare. Understand the tricks. SQL is all about trick. Whenever your question say comparison going on, I'm comparing previous, it means lead. I'm comparing next, it means, sorry, I'm comparing previous, it means lag. I'm comparing next, it means lead. SQL is all about trick. Whenever you say your condition, any your output is conditional based. If this, then this. If this, then this. It means case statement. SQL is all about tricks. So learning tricks will helpful to all of you. That is what you all have to do each and everywhere. Whenever you see any question, try to find out, does this question contains any trick? Suppose, for example, I don't know what exactly he is doing. He's using some this. See, everybody using CT is very important. Everybody should learn CT. Let me try to find out few questions to all of you so that you are able to see which trick we can apply as your questions. Let me find out few random questions in SQL anybody can ask. Take Nishant. Nishant is normally put the question. Let me go Nishant Kumar. He has many questions to the SQL. Find the number of employees who received the bonus and who did not. See this to how do we know that which thing I have to apply? I think I already posted my comment here to this comment part, but let's see. How do I know which function I have to know? SQL is all about trick. When this question come in front of you, how do I know which thing I have to do? I have two tables. It contains this particular question. I don't know why this is coming every time. See this question. Give me one more. Yes. Find the number of employee. It means what he want? He want count. Understand how to write SQL. He want count number of employee who received the bonus and who did not receive the bonus. It means what? I have employee detail table. I have a bonus table. See this query. Employee table contain their ID, first name, employee related data, employee ID, employee first name, last name, age, sex, email, address, city, department, all this thing, employee related data. This contains all employee related data. This contains all bonus, work reference ID, bonus amount, bonus. What is a worker reference ID? That is basically what? That is basically what? Your data from this ID from this worker table. If you got the bonus, I want to find the people who got the bonus. It means data present in this table, the same worker present in this table. If your worker ID in this table must present into the bonus table, it means that you got the bonus. Correct, everyone? Like this number one got the bonus, number three got the bonus, number one got the bonus, number five got the bonus. These people got the bonus. And if the ID which are not present here, for example, ID 2, ID 3, ID 4, whatever, suppose ID 3, ID 4, ID 5, this ID 4, he does not present in this table, doesn't get a bonus. How to solve this? How to got this question? You can use using joins question as well. But you can see if not present, you can use adjust data. Understand, convert the requirement into English. If data exists here, if data exists here, it means that you got bonus. If data not exist here, it means I don't got bonus. Straightforward, select star from employee table, where exist, select one from bonus table. You can join them. That's it. Got the and where not exist, you got not exist the bonus. Straightforward query. What you have to do? Convert this requirement into English first and English to SQL. Our English is what? From this requirement, I want the data which are present in this table but not exist in this table. It means not got bonus. Exist in this table, exist in this table. It means got the bonus. I have to use exist clause. So getting the data, not exist for not getting the data. So SQL is all about how I'm going to write the queries. That's it, guys. This is what we have to write in the query. Understand more trick and where is the Zoom? Do you all connected? Sorry, I cannot see you all in the Zoom. Do you all hear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Vishal.
I cannot see the Zoom maybe. Okay, so this is what we have learning more tricks. To focus on learning tricks, we will do another session maybe by next week. Hopefully, I hope so. And when I start my B28 batch, so for that batch, what I'm going to do, I will do my I will take a session for all of you and let you know that how things are working here, and we can go and take multiple session there, few more tricks, how we are going to do. SQL is all about trick if you know to learn. That's it. Start from the base concept, go one by one, understand tricks. That's it. So next week we'll take a session and we'll take more in detail. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for coming on a very short notice. And that's it. Thank you, Akriti. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
Vishal.
you, Vishal.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.